today we're going to do baby cobra. There are many variations of cobra pose, but for today we will experience baby cobra. This is really good if you have back pain or you want to open up the body a little because it rolls and pulls the shoulders back. It also relieves some tightness in the neck and keeps the spine supple and healthy as well. And of course, if you have chronic pain, you do want to be careful with any of the poses. So let's get right into it, baby cobra. So we're going to be flat on our front, but we want to keep our torso up. Okay, so we're not just lying flat like so and with the chest down, but we're actually keeping the chest up, torso up. Your toenails are down and you don't want to be wide, but bring the legs close in together about hip distance, and then your elbows just below your shoulders, and then that's it. Just holding that position, breathing normally, natural breath. And it'll take some time to get comfortable here. You may initially feel more tension in the neck or the back, even the arms, because you're not used to it yet. And just trying to maintain that position. And after some time, you can kind of work with it by trying to pull that neck in even more, tucking the chin in even more, and automatically you will feel your achy areas wherever you're experiencing some pain and discomfort in the back or the neck. And just feel that you're allowing your shoulders to relax, even in this position. Try not to over-tense them. And just be aware in case you start to drop down like that. Remember, we want to keep the chest up, torso up, head up. Just imagining a cobra. And then once you get comfortable, you can turn your head from one side to the other. And if you want to challenge yourself even more, you can see if you can look right over your shoulder if possible. If you're not able to do that, something better than nothing, just doing what you can. And eventually with some practice of this baby cobra pose, you might be able to open up a little more in the neck area. And even if you can't do any of that and just straight like that, that's good too. And really, you can hold this position for as long as it feels comfortable for you until you feel you've had some relief in whatever aches and pains you're experiencing. So that is baby cobra. I hope you get a chance to practice it and it gives you some relief.